Hi, good morning. We're on our way to the playa, to the beach.
Can you tell?
With some friends. Like.
And he did my hair.
Oh yeah, looks. And I did my own. Fish pabbing. We got the French and then the fishtail.
All right, let's go.
Look who I'm with again.
I don't like
I
to.
don't like to. We are currently packing
Oh,
the
you better
Cairo.
edit that shit out.
No, you get him here. And we're all getting ready. Let me go see. You guys haven't met one of my new friends. Marissa, look. That's Marissa, everybody. And then I'm back with Carol again too.
Hi.
Part 2. Part 2. Seriously, we're going to Newport Beach again, huh? We're headed. He says like, no, I don't want to go out.
No.
That's our mama.
He says mama.
He says mama. All right. Let's get going. Yes, we should get. We should get Starbucks. A little brown Mexican.
Don't get that.
They opened the one at the bottom, I think. We should get Starbucks home. Oh, I don't have my outfit. It's not like I'm gonna get wet because I wasn't planning on getting wet. Hers is. Hers is actually a bikini. Look at it. Isn't it so cute?
It was $10. I caught it on.
And I'm wearing over here zapatos and she's wearing chanclas, you know? Like a normal person. We're getting Starbucks. We're getting Starbucks. Oh yeah. We all got Starbucks. I got a double chocolate chip. What you get?
Mocha frappuccino.
You?
And caramel frappuccino.
Isa?
She's clinging with me.
They're rude. They just walked away from me.
I'm trying to have berry sangria.
I didn't ask you, so shut up.
I'm telling you, so I don't care.
You tell him.
Your mom went shopping. Look at that.
I'm trying to get a bikini.
Because we are here. We finally get off. Finally got off the car. We finally got off the car. We're walking to find somewhere to sit. We're going on a little adventure to look for a restroom. Dude, let's just knock on that door and be like, hey, can I use your restroom?
My blood is going to pop.
Okay, we're looking for a loo. For a loo drama.
Needs to really hit
We're
it.
looking for a little loo.
Needs to hit it.
Got music. The throne room going to the
Needs to
throne
hit
room.
its goods.
And we found the restrooms. Not the greatest, but we found them. Look at them waves. Ooh. Let's go
You guys
surfing.
want to walk along the water?
Yeah.
Or stay in the freaking sand?
No, like,
Because
I'm trying to walk down there.
I'm struggling.
I know. I was gonna tell you guys. Should we take off our shot glass and walk barefoot instead?
Yes,
Hell
we should.
no, I'm gonna burn my feet.
Nah, we got this. I got
Sorry,
this.
I'm
Okay.
Such a frozen time.
Okay, it is kind of hot.
Yeah, it is kind of hot. Kinda.
Kind of. Just kind of.
We
We made it down to the beach. Down here. I mean, we've been at the beach, but like down to the water. Ooh. Just walking now along, trying to get back. Ow! Dude, it was hot walking over there. The restrooms are literally where the palm trees are at. That's far.
Is it?
Yep.
You gotta pee.
Ellie, you're my photographer. I need pictures.
Girl,
Here.
I'm trying to enjoy the view.
Funny shit.
Alright, let's go inside the water.
To do that like girly shit like the.
Yeah.
Like, oh my god, I'm running for my life.
Yeah. Let's just run. Run into the water. Oh my god. Go back to where you belong. I fall. I fall.
Hi guys.
So taking a walk.
And it's far.
It's really, really far. It's like, oh fuck, where the palm trees are at.
And we are way back there.
And we're like, woo, back there. This feels really weird, dude. We never ever vlog. And like,
we do, but not when there's like a lot of people around us.
we're like literally walking, dude, and look at all these people are here. What's up? I would say the beach day was a success. Whoa! Dude, I'm burning my patitas. I have
Look, Ellie.
no,
About this, Ellie. Be smart about this.
I have no chanclas at all either. Let's get inside the car.
Am I doing this? Not because I need to pee, but because it's hot.
Are you?
Oh, it's already open.
I need to pee. Here, so Sylvia really does
The fact that I'm trying to give you air, Ellie.
Where's Isa? Isa, you don't come in.
Wait, let me fix my pelito.
We made it home. Oh, we're all so tired.
You know that? You know, literally that nap helped me with my skin.
Turn around.
I need that on this shoulder.
Isa.
It's spread.
Oh my god.
We've caught a lobster.
Dude, look.
A real lobster.
Oh.
Does
it hurt you yet?
Not yet. A little bit.
Burn.
I to your sister.
Bye.
Oh, bye.
She's gonna be back for me later. Bye, loser.
Oh, look, Ashley has house.
Bye, sister.
We all do. Look at that. Hey, she's not your sister. Excuse me.
All late.
We are currently walking to go get some food.
Again.
Again. Wow, we're hungry. I mean, it's not that
We
far.
didn't go
so
in
it's a
the
good
ocean to
thing.
be hungry in the water.
Shh. No, I'm kidding. I know, but hey.
We
I
walked
know.
a lot. Walked to the restroom back and forth.
No, that restroom was so far. Let me tell you that. It was so far.
And you guys wanted to walk
We
back.
literally
and
did like
forth.
2 miles going 3 times over there. No joke. Okay, hurry up, slowpokes.
I know. The one that works out's all back there.
Yeah. You better run it. I'm gonna read my fortune.
So why doesn't she like
I don't have one.
Oh,
It's a song.
dude, that means you're not going anywhere. It's to be continued. Dude.
I don't have. Oh my god, this is my life. I have nothing.
Your life is over.
Dude, what the hell?
Hey, we're not
What am I
talking about
supposed to
weather,
look
fuck
for
that.
now?
What am I supposed to
I
look
opened my
to?
fortune cookie with no
Not a
fortune. This
fortune,
is just a cookie.
Now we are just chilling in front of the pool. They're gonna get in. She's already in. That's Carol's little sister. And I'm not gonna get in. I'm tired. I'm sore from the beach. Drama, look, you're so
I
red.
know, I'm like all right here.
Okay, I don't know how to function it.
I'll get closer to you.
Fail.
His first name.
We're using some I got some on my feet. Some Savila because you know we're Mexicans, eh? We don't have that. What is it they called? Aloe vera?
You know,
Roll there, Isa.
dude, look at she didn't even do it right. Look at
They're still in the pool, and we're laughing like lames. Flicky flick.
It went right over his shoulder.
Get her. Fuck you guys.
Go to sleep.
I'm leaving. I know, dude. She has work tomorrow.
You like have to work so far?
We're watching a scary movie, dude.
We had half
It was getting good.
like right now. It was getting good.
Yeah. Oh shit, that thing scared me. It's my reflex. Okay.
That movie's got you already.
Alright. Isa,
Hi, dude.
I was the last one to leave. I'm a trooper. Did you hear me? Bye, Isa.
Thank you again.
See you guys next time. Next time we're going swimming.
Alright.
And movie night.
Next time we're staying in. Bye, Isa. Look, I'm with my sister again, and we're going home. So yeah, we're gonna end the vlog here, right?
Like we always do in the car on
Yeah.
the way home.
Because it's already 10:22, but still, I have to. Good night, guys. Bye. Hello. Bye.